Hi everyone. Okay, my name is Nadia Rotuasitanggang, and then this video to make the presentation about media and technology Pembelajaran for my final examination about English presentation. Okay, today we will learn about language and brain. So let's take a look for this slide. Language and brain, about neuro linguistic, the study of how language is represented and processed in the brain. Okay, language in the brain in particular, the first, the structure of the brain, the second, aphasia, the third, sign languages. Next, language in the brain. Have you ever observed children learn their first language? Studied American Sign Language? Known anyone who has suffered as a stroke? How are humans and other animals similar? How do we communicate differently from other animals? How do researchers investigate how the brain is organized and how it works? So the human brain is composed of neurons, nerve cells that are the basic information processing and units of the nervous system. The cerebral cortex is the gray vertical mass that sits over the rest of the brain and accounts for the language representation and processing. The longitudinal fissure separates the left and the right hemispheres of the brain. The curved calcium is the bundle of nerve fibers that connects to two hemispheres. Okay, the next, let's see this picture. Okay, this is the picture of the human brains, and you can look, guys, how this picture has many kind of in our brains like that, and then function of the brain hemispheres. In terms of muscle movement, each hemisphere is responsible for half of the body. That is contralateral responsibilities. Right hemisphere, it is the left side of body, and left hemisphere is on the right side of the body. In terms of higher cognitive function, the hemispheres are lateralized. Left hemisphere's analytic tasks, such as math, language, and then right hemisphere's recognition of complex patterns, such as faces and melodies. How about aphasia? A language deficit caused by damage to the brain, often be a stroke or an accident. Non-fluent or motor aphasia front of left cortex result in either slow verbal speech or complete speechlessness. Broca's aphasia, it is tell about speech is very halting. Function words are omitted, such as it, is, to, a, and etc. Pronunciation is simply vague, spoon, poon, and others. Then inflectional endings are omitted, running and run, etc. And then we look for continue. Fluent or sensory aphasia, rear or left cortex, not difficulty producing language, great difficulty selecting, organizing, and monitoring language, where needs aphasia, it is generally unaware of their deficit, patient really makes any sense. Okay, how about visual language? The first visual language is pantomime or iconic gestures, movement, right? So it's called iconic. The second signal language, it is about abstract. And then three levels of iconic for signs. The first transparent, it is understood by alternate observe, such as eat, food, like that. And then transfluent, easy to recognize when they are explained, such as wonder. Opaque have no recognizable relationship to their referent, onion. And the last, it is sign language versus manual codes. Manual codes an artificially contrived system for representing a natural language. For example, manually coded English has no syntax or structure of its own. The second, created by hearing people for the deaf. The second sign language, it is a natural language not based on the spoken language used around it. So it has a distinct structure and syntax and is created by deaf people. Okay guys, you about language and brain, and remember again that we have many functions on our brain, so we have to practice, we have to care about ourselves, how we can improve ourselves, so our brain, our language must be better. I hope you can understand and enjoy this explanation. Thanks for attention. See you.